Hey there, it's Steve
And Connor.
from SeriousKeto, and today we are going to review a brand new product, actually two of them, from Perfect Keto. They are,
Nola bars.
so that's probably short for granola. All right, we've got peanut butter and we have got coconut chocolate chip. All right, I'll read my box, and if you see anything different that stands out on yours, you can let me know. We've got almonds, organic coconut, dark chocolate, soluble tapioca fiber, which is a common ingredient in their bars as well. Allulose, MCT oil, natural flavors, sea salt, stevia extract, monk fruit extract, and some vitamin E to preserve freshness.
This one is peanuts instead of almonds.
All right.
And then obviously no coconut or chocolate.
All right. And it's 2 net grams of carbs in this and 3 net grams of carbs in the peanut butter. It's kind of small, and as I'm feeling the package is bigger than the bar.
Yeah, they're the size of like Colton's little baby bars.
Okay. Okay, this is kind of reminds me of the Quaker bars, the Chewy granola bars, in terms of texture, pulling it apart.
I don't really have any complaints about it. I mean, I wish it was a little more coconutty just because it's a coconut chocolate chip. It's not a bad texture. It kind of looks like a granola bar. It kind of tastes like a granola bar. I mean,
yeah, I think the best thing that I can say about it is it's not bad. I mean, it's kind of tasty. I'm not getting any erythritol cooling sort of effect off of it.
There's no erythritol in it.
Ah, well, and there you go.
I'll explain it.
All right. It's good, but I don't know that it's $2 a bar good, in my opinion.
Right. But it's not. There's nothing bad about it.
Okay, so that's sort of the definition of damning with faint praise. It's not a bad bar.
Yeah. We have the peanut bar.
So that's wider and shorter, and it looks very peanut buttery.
Yes, it does. It's kind of sticky too.
Okay.
Stickier than the other one. Harder to pull apart.
And I got like half of what you got. What a rip-off.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
It's not like a Payday bar. That's what it reminds me of.
Now, doesn't Payday have something else like some
No, I think
like white like?
no, it's a salted nut roll. I'm pretty sure
Okay.
the Payday bar doesn't. But if the Payday bar does have the white stuff in the middle, it tastes like the not white stuff.
Yeah, this tastes like a salted nut roll, the outside part of a salted nut roll, but not as salty.
Right.
It is, though, very, very peanutty. And one of the things I say whenever we do a review, if you screw up peanut butter, you should just go out of business. And in my opinion, they did not screw this up. This is pretty good.
This bar's good. I mean, it tastes like a candy bar. It tastes like a Payday bar or salted nut roll without the creamy stuff. It's good. Well, I wouldn't pay the $2 a bar for them, but if somebody put them in my lunch, I would eat them.
Well, here's the good thing. You don't need to pay $2 a bar because they are having a sale right now for the next 2 weeks. So up until May 2nd, I believe, there is a tiered sale. And normally they don't do this on new release products, but they're doing it for the Nola bars. I will include a link down below along with my coupon code if it asks for one, but I don't think it will. Basically, you can get up to 30% off depending on how many boxes you buy. I think you need to buy 4 boxes to get up to 30% off. So that's it. Very quick, just 2 products, our thoughts. I think the chocolate chip coconut is a solid bar. I don't know that I'd necessarily buy it though. The peanut butter bar, I like a lot and probably would buy that. So that's it. Thanks for watching.
See you later.